This is our 61-62 rear bumper. Original bumper. Nice looking little chrome bumper. Fitting the way they always fit. You see the bottom side of it with the hardware. See the factory hardware. Now you go to the other side at the bottom and you'll see how our bottom of our bumper is finished. Okay, it's not a steel bumper, it's one of our fiberglass bumpers. We're in that world of fiberglass and we love it. And it's tucked in. It's tucked in within a quarter of an inch. Here's translating inside of the rear bumper, right side, about 7/8 of an inch away. You come up to ours 1/4 inch. Finished off nice. All the way around. Bottom to the top, we'll put the car up in the air so you can see the bottom of it.
Oh wow.
See a big difference.
Yeah, with those brackets.
Big difference. Just having fun. The product you see on this bumper, we call it spray filler. We rough in our part, get it really close, put our spray filler on it and come back and block it 80, 150. Now we're going to come back and spray it again with Duratec. Then we'll take that Duratec up to 1,000 grit, 1,200 grit. We'll get Class A finish on our part before we make our mold. Big difference from here to here. Here's the back side, the bottom, the back side, the same location as original fasteners. We have 5 weld nuts that we've glassed in there. We're going to make a 3-part mold out of this. Be a complicated mold, but we've done it with our other bumpers. That's the fun part of this, is making something complicated. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. So that is our 61-2 rear bumper. Fronts are coming soon, along with the 58-60 rear bumper. Thanks for watching.